Okay, back with another refresher on solving linear equations. In this case, this particular linear equation has parentheses in it. Yeah, so here's the deal. My variable is inside those parentheses. So it makes it a little challenging to know what the variable really looks like. So, when possible, and it's usually always, you get rid of the parentheses first. So when you take a look, outside this parentheses is a -3. Remember, we spoke about this. Since there's nothing in front of this sign, this is a negative sign. Now, what's the operation between the -3 and that parenthesis? Multiplication, which means you're going to have to distribute, right? The -3 doesn't go just to the 2. It also goes to the variable r. So, you know as well as I do, -3 times 2, -6. Plus, -3 times r is a -3r, and it still equals 9. Now, again, we don't want parentheses here. So, when you're adding a negative, it is the same thing as a simple subtraction problem. Right? Okay, just checking. So, let's take a look at this. I'm solving for this variable r. I know there's a 3 there with the r, and I know there's a -6. And so you're like, well, what do I do first? Can I take -6 minus 3? Can I combine those numbers? No. Simply because you have multiplication and subtraction. Now, when you're solving, you get rid of what's around the variable first. This -6 is completely outside the variable, shall I say. This -6 is the farthest away from the variable. So let's get rid of that first. Let's get rid of the -6 simply because it doesn't have a variable. So, in order to get rid of this -6, I need to move it to the other side. So, to get rid of a -6, I'm going to use a +6. Not just to the left, but also to the right. Which means what's going to remain on the left is a -3r. And on the right, 15. So, we got rid of the -6 first because it didn't have an r. Good? Okay. And now we're back to the same type of problem that we did a refresher on earlier. Between the r and this -3 is multiplication. So how do we break multiplication? We use division. So we're going to divide by -3. Just on the left side? Good. Also on the right side. So when you do that, on the left side remains the r, and on the right side, -5. Excellent. Good? Okay, I have a couple problems coming your way. You have fun with them, and I'll catch you on the flip side.